bungalow, mid-century, is truly a gift. Located on a quiet cul-de-sac, overlooking a ravine, this is an entry-level price point for the Rattray Marsh. Part of the gift that we can offer you here is it's super easy to work with this interior and make the alterations you want to, or not. Let me show you how some of these rooms are already set up to enjoy, put your little touch on, and transform into your dream ranch bungalow. Of course, the heart of the home, this kitchen, as it exists already, with these stone walls, these vaulted ceilings, the beams, the fireplace, a walkout to a gorgeous patio, the modern amenities are already here. There's a main floor laundry room. There's 4 bedrooms on this main level. Check out this primary suite with the vaulted ceilings, these transom windows. Then once you get to the lower level, you'll see it is the entire square footage upstairs repeats itself downstairs. So there's so much room here to do whatever you want to do, use these rooms how you want to use them, but it's all here, backing on this wonderful ravine. All 4 seasons offer you different viewpoints out into this beautiful landscape. So come see it, enjoy. You can really make this place something special.